I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head.
Hello, good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. So last night I haven't slept, reason being I have sick kids in the house. Yeah, and so right now it's morning, it's I think around 8, and I want to go. Oh, I didn't say the day. So today is Friday. The kids are sick and I need to make them breakfast. Their auntie is also sick, so I told her to go to the hospital. It's just near here, and right now I have the kids at home and I want to make them breakfast, but really healthy breakfast. So let's go prepare that with me. So here I have this bread, super loaf. Then I have this milk, which is what I've put in here. So I need a whisk. So I also have some salt. That should be enough. And then I have my eggs. And I have 2 pans right here. One is for making the bread and the other one is for making eggs. 2 should have been enough, but it's okay. So I'll be dipping the bread here and then placing it on the pan. And I'll be using butter for all that. So this butter, I would not suggest to buy this, but get this. This is far better. You can feel the taste of the butter, but this you can't. So I prefer this. I wonder what made me buy this. Here I'm gonna make scrambled eggs.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. I'm not above it. Let me be myself. I'm not above it. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. I'm not above it. Let me be myself. I'm not above it. I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. I'm not above it. Let me be myself. I'm not above it. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. I'm not above it.
So the kids and this is 2 times. So I've just transferred, but this is ready. This is what they are gonna have. But they've broken so much. And then this one has wasted most of the eggs. So
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. To look my way and never back to you. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. I'm not a pauper. Let me be
and by the way, if you have never toasted your bread with butter, you should try it on the pan. You should try it. It's so awesome. It's just like placing it on an what is it called? In a toaster. You see how it looks? Nice. Better than placing it in a toaster. Oh, so that's it. That's for the little one, that's for the first, and this is my, I'm gonna be eating 3 of them, and this is for later. We are gonna save that for later. So that's it. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's still the same day as the day I went to Gikomba. I am so freaking tired, but we have to eat. So this is me in the kitchen. I want to so I have some arrowroots right here that I want to cook him. These were given to me by my sister, so I didn't buy this. So yeah, I want to boil them and then kanga them and then serve the ndumas alone with meat. He's strictly on a diet that he's doing right now, so yeah, he's really eating healthy and really healthy food. He doesn't take carbohydrates, so tutapika kimchele kitu. So yeah, let's do that now. So this is the knife that I got from Gikosh. Well, also guys, this is the mug that I got from Gikomba, but it didn't have the lid, so it was going for 200 bob, and I thought, let me buy it and I'll be taking tea in town. When I'm in the shop and I ask for tea, they will be putting it here. So I got two of this and another one I got for my assistant. So yeah. So guys, here I have my tomatoes together with the what are they called, the hohos. And then I have these carrots that I just chopped up. Those I'll be mixing with the broccoli. As I said, I have the onions. I'm using the white onion. And then my ndumas are ready. So I just added paprika and coriander. The coriander is here and the paprika here, and then last thing is now mixing in the arrowroots. Yeah. And what I used to cook here is olive oil. I didn't use oil. So and then here I have my onions, and this is my ginger and garlic paste.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me.
So I'm going to add a whole teaspoon of the ginger and garlic. Now let me add 2 because the meat is an entire kg. So spice, I added the paprika, I added the mixed spices, I added the cumin, I added the coriander, and I added the garlic powder in here. So after that, I'm gonna add my salt. And fry, and then add
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Ooh, I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Ooh, I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be.
So that's the rice, that's the stew, that's the broccoli, and that's fat. So yeah,
Something Tora was found with you.
yum.
Also, you got caught.